to solve the problem of the side step that wasn't exactly level, let me show you what I came up with. I found a piece of this aluminum strip, very inexpensive, and I basically cut a couple of chunks off of it, and then I drilled holes and made shims. And I'll show you how these shims fit in, because in order to change the angle of the step, I'd have to pull out the bolts that are into the frame of the car and move those, and I didn't want to do all that. You know, it's bad enough that there is a hole in the frame in order to have a bolt for a side step. So what I did was, by making these shims, it actually makes the step level, and I'm going to show you how that mechanism works right now. Here's the side step, and you can see that it's not exactly level, it's down on a slight angle. Using this T-square with the step down, you can actually see that it's not level. Underneath this flat piece of metal is a stopper right here, and the stopper is coming up right against the metal. So the idea is to put a shim right between. The idea is to put a shim right in here. Line it up on there. That makes the step more level. And now I need to do the same thing here. Okay, so you can see the two bolts are in. The shim is in place, and how that works. And you can see that levels the step quite a bit. It's perfect. See, it's level now. So all in all, I think it works great. I prefer to use the shim rather than readjust the whole step, and I'm satisfied with that. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side now. Thanks for watching.